Greetings traders out there in Trader Land. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, March 7, 2012. Nice little pop here from yesterday's drop, which was the worst in 2012. We have the Dow up 78 points, up 0.6%. The S&P up 0.7%. NASDAQ up 0.9%. Russell's up more than a full percent. Banks up 1.5%, leading everything else. So that is a bullish move here. VIX drops by 8.6%. We're back below 20 right now. Gold up 0.6%. Silver up more than 1%. Crude oil up more than 1%. And you have the US dollar down slightly, down 0.13%. And taking a look here at the markets, we continue with this bearish divergence on the MACD, and we are sub-zero now, below the zero line, which is the histogram area. We did drop, and things that drop fast tend to pop fast, and we did get a little rubber band effect, a little pop here. The center part of this big red candlestick puts us about right here, and you can see that we close lower than that. That acts as a natural area of resistance. Sure enough, that is what we're seeing. However, if you really zoom in here closely, we had a slight gap up. So we do also have what's called a bullish Rami. And the only thing that would confirm that is a close above today's high. Today's high was 1354, so we really need to get above 1355 and stay there. But we do have the 20 period moving average, which in this case is the 20-day moving average, coming across that could in fact act as resistance. We have sustained some significant damage here in the markets, and I don't necessarily see a massive retracement. However, anything could happen, so I am watching this like a hawk. If we start to go bullish again tomorrow, and I think it's going to sustain that bullish movement, I will be looking to add more longs on at this point. And looks like my Indianapolis Colts, I reside here in Indianapolis region, also have an office in Las Vegas where I do a lot of my live training. But it looks like the Colts let Peyton Manning go today, which that knowledge will not help you make any money in the markets, I promise you. However, Apple has come out with the new iPad, faster piece of equipment, and you can see here that we made a higher high, higher low, but we closed lower than we opened. So not necessarily a great move on that sort of news. You can see we have a big time bearish divergence taking place too. Apple's in a lot of trouble. However, fundamentally very strong. And I believe the PEG ratio, or the valuation of this company, isn't bad. So we're not overvalued. But to see this sort of bearish divergence, it shows an end coming to this trend. Things could start topping out, at least going sideways, if not dropping. Watch this 20 period moving average on that. And GLD gold, you can see that we had a nasty little drop a few days ago, and the last couple of days we're trying to go back into positive territory here. We do have this gap that needs to fill. Once a gap fills, usually it would trace the direction that it gapped, and that means back down. We're back within moving averages here on gold, but you need to be watching that pretty closely. Things could get hairy and fast. And tomorrow night, we only do this once a month. Either take advantage of this or lose it. If you want to join us, I'll be alongside Mark, be doing a presentation on our opinions on charting platforms and brokerage groups that you can you might want to be looking at, and also trading computers and different hardwares. Make sure you got the right system in place so you're not left out in the cold. Anyway, that's tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. All you have to do to register is click on events and click on March 8th, which is tomorrow night, Thursday, and get signed up. If you can't make it live with us, whoever does register will in fact get a recording within the next 24 to 48 hours after the presentation, and it'll be yours for you to keep. Take care, safe trading to you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, I am doing the morning videos again, so be sure to check those out, all you day traders.